What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery in a Chrysler Pacifica key. So this smart key takes replacement battery CR2032. And the first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key from the bottom. That's done by pressing this button here. That's going to allow the key to slide out like that. Now we're going to use this key to pry up on the back. So if we put it just a little bit in the slot where we just took it out of, and we're just going to pry up like that. Once you get it started, you could probably just take it off with your fingers. Now if we grab our key, we're going to see right here, there's this little slot. And you can get the tip of your key in there, like that, to pop the battery out. We'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. Snap it in there. And then we'll snap the back on. Slide our emergency key back in. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.